All right, this is experiment 1.
It's experiment 1.
Experiment 1. 22.9 degrees Celsius is your initial. You guys can go ahead and add the aluminum foil whenever you want. 22.9.
Do I just like crumple it up, put it in there?
Just not like too much. Just kind of loosely. There you go. Perfect. Poke it in there and then like go like this. Poke it on down there. Stir. Watch the temperature.
We're gonna stir that bad boy. Oh, gotta stir it. Okay, ready?
So you'll see that it's reacting already. These guys will watch for maximum temperature change.
Let's see steam.
Oh gosh, the temperature is rising.
24.4. Should it get hotter than that, Miss Melvin?
Yeah,
Please do it.
probably. Yeah, go for it. Just stir away. Oops. I'm a terrible videographer.
28.
Okay guys, it reached 29, now it's declining.
29.0 Celsius.
Well, it's almost at 30. 30.
Record any color changes. Got chunky.
Brown chunks.
30.9.
Oh yeah, chunky. Oh guys, it reached.
Dirty brown.
39.7.
Reset the max.
Look at that.
30.
Bubble Bingo. It went up by
It went up. Brown chunky chunks.
Okay. I saw 31.7.
Oh, 32.1. 32.1. Is the highest.
You can beat Cora or not.
Chunky chunks. I'll watch the
Is it going up?
Might be depending on your size of aluminum foil. 31.7 maximum. You can describe your temperature changes. People at home, you should see some like
It steams.
chunky copper stuff. Yeah, it definitely steams.
So it kind of turned into
Like,
like a darker blue.
see all that copper stuff on the bottom? That's the copper. Got kind of blue and cloudy.
What kind of color is that? Blue?
Blue.
Does anyone know what the balance water? No, we can just do that.
Here you go. Okay, Keegan. Obtain a
Uh-oh.
You gotta clean it out.
Yeah, so if there's another clean one, you guys can just like go get another clean beaker and put your copper sulfate into it.
My brother's a tool guy. He made that very clear.
It's so long.
And then, so your job will be to balance the equation.
That's Timmy's job.
Then predict the products. Did you predict the products?
So is that one? Is that for aluminum foil?
Uh-huh.
That whole thing?
So, no,
Oh.
this is everything that you need. So you just have the copper 2 chloride, CuCl2, plus plain old aluminum.
Oh, okay. Wait, I bet it's gonna be a single replacement.
Yeah.
So I need to dump this out now.
Yeah, you can dump it out. Or if there's another clean beaker, you can just do the next one in a clean beaker and go for it. Over here, virtual people, is the definition of a catalyst. Okay. Oops, you're gonna need that for your conclusions. Okay. Catalysts get written up above the arrow, as you'll see right there. I wrote water above the arrow and zinc plus iodine. That's where a catalyst gets written. You will need that for reaction 3. Okay.
Okay, so
All right.
I don't have to clean it out.
Do you know what?
Is this
We're
going
gonna.
to Elena?
This is just like a little pocket protector. Yeah, Elena's gonna watch it. So, Cora, put your nerd glasses on and please take your thermometer out of that little pocket protector-y thing. Like, yeah, just slide it out of there.
Cora! Awkward.
There you go. Yay! That is how we want.
Now we get it better.
No, it might work reaction 1. You'll see that Cora's reaction 1 looks a lot like
It's very nice.
Deanna
And
Deanna.
chunky.
We'll just move on to reaction 2 now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So just go gather your stuff for reaction 2 in this one. Okay.
No, it's fine. Milliliters of copper sulfate.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's awful. No one's told me.
All right, so Cora's getting her stuff for reaction 2, which is going to be the copper sulfate one. 70 milliliters of it.
You gotta be careful with this. Other ones are a little fast. Yes. Look at that. Perfect pour.
Good job. Excellent. Now she's going to add her 70 milliliters of water to it.
Is that like 34.2?
I got it.
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry.
That one. Does it should say CUSO4 on it? Right? Hopefully, like I wrote it in blue, which was not a good choice. Oh, and it probably, yeah. I got it marked up, but that's it. That's the right one. Yep.
Okay, it's at 24 even. 24.0.
37.
Wait, this is
All right. I'm not a great videographer, so sorry, virtual people, if I'm making you sick walking around with this iPad. So,
Yep. Okay, now aluminum.
this is reaction 2. She's at 24.1 degrees. Oh, I stuck my finger over the camera.
Roll it.
Yeah. And just,
Roll it up.
No, it's like 7 degrees. 39.
Go, Cora, go. Yeah, stab it.
yeah.
That's almost 100 degrees. Yeah.
Okay, it's nothing's happening so far.
All right.
So far. It's still at 24.
All right. So this is the one that I said nothing will probably happen.
Oh, it said it smells bad.
Okay.
It's sulfury.
So now you're gonna, I love how she takes her goggles up to smell it, which you shouldn't do. Don't do that at home. Leave your goggles on while you smell it. Yeah.
Okay, it's still at 20.
So go get your 70 milliliters of the sodium chloride, which is gonna be your catalyst that you're gonna use in part 3. Yeah, so 70 milliliters of the NaCl.
Wait, it's the same, but
Is it just the same equation, just with the catalyst?
Yeah,
Sorry.
same equation, but with the catalyst.
Okay, so I can copy and paste.
Mm-hmm. And it's okay if you want to say in reaction 2 that nothing really happened, because,
I just put N on her.
yep, it's not really reacting, as you can see. No. It's the clear one. No. Like over this way in a big beaker. Yep.
wait, so we can
We
copy
should
and
probably
paste
go over there.
the second part 2 equation and the part 3.
Uh-huh.
That should be the same.
Copy and paste.
I love copy and paste.
Copy and paste.
Now I just pour it in.
Yep, just pour it in and things should start happening. So you're at what, 24.1 degrees, I think. And now,
Go, Cora, go. Stir. Oh, it's bubbling.
yeah, you can see it like starting to dissolve.
Bubbling. Ooh, it's turning so close.
Yeah, we have to do like.
It's still the same temperature.
Yeah, I'll do the third one.
You're just assuming.
You not if you're from the trunks.
I don't.
Oh, the temperature is right.
Is that resting?
There is a line.
25.6 high score. So far. High score. Then jumped out. Nice. What was the original temperature? 24. Thank you. Oh, 27.0. Do I have to keep saying it?
Sure. Yeah. You're doing great.
Really good coffee. It's my tummy. 28.5.
Not quite as
That's
aggressive
more like
as you.
chopping it.
32.2.
That's more
Huh?
like chopping it.
32.7. 32.8. 33. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Hey guys.
How does it smell?
33.7. It really kind of smells metallic. 34.
Colin, where's your nerd glasses in case Cora, in her aggressive stirring, happens to flick you in the eyeball?
That's aggressive chopping.
34.6.
No, that's not.
Will it keep heating up if I keep stirring it?
It might. Eventually it's going to start dropping.
5.246.
35.6. Yeah. Is that your high
Still
score?
I think that's a high score. It's not rising.
You go reverse.
Oh, 35.8.
Start moving it then.
9. 35.9. Oh, it bottomed out. 35.9.
35.9. Maximum temperature.
Just make that
Reaction
36.
3.
Oh, no,
to
no,
add the
36.
catalyst in the
It's at
equation?
36.
Yeah.
How do we do that?
So you're going to write it above the arrow. So if you'd like turn around and look behind Keegan's head there, like kind of how that water is written above the arrow. So you're probably gonna have to put like the NaCl on a separate line, and then come down to the next line and type your Al plus the CuSO4 and put the arrow in there.
Copy that and then you do the thing.
Yeah, that's part 3.
So what did we add?
NaCl is the catalyst. Yeah, reaction 2 didn't really react, so you added a catalyst to it for part 3.
Does that look good like that?
I'm gonna show it to these people. Yes, that looks great. That's,
So like this.
yeah, that's about as good as you can make it in Google. It's fine. Yeah, it's. All right, are you guys ready to do reaction 4? We'll record reaction 4 for
Okay, so
the virtual
we're gonna need
people.
this anymore.
No. So all of you guys come over to the hood to do reaction 4. We'll record it for our virtual people, and you can leave your graduated cylinder. Uh-huh.
Wait, I need the.
All right, so you're just gonna do 1 squirt of each into one of these little
Oh, okay.
test tubes.
Okay.
So just get all your people over here.
Team.
Team, come watch Cora.
So which one's for number 2?
For number 2 is this one.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys. So this one and that one,
Uh-huh.
just a squirt.
So that, the clear one's the KSCN. And then the orangey one is the iron 3.
Does it explode? Can you touch
that stuff
that was in there?
Yeah. Like it might make your skin feel a teeny bit itchy. Just wash your hands.
It's cancer.
But it does like, yeah, none of it will like,
Brown.
no, but wait, look at it. It's like not really brown, but it's kind of like, it looks
It's like
really
chunky.
blood red.
Yeah.
It's not really like too chunky, I don't think, but, so it looks bloody, kind of red.
Blood red. Whoa.
Last year, it's too bad Miss Wilson's not here now, because last year they pretended they had a big bloody nose and like, made Miss Wilson scream and run away from them. I don't know if anybody else is too dramatic. So now what you get to do is you get to go pour it down the drain and clean it. All right, and that is the end of our lab for today.